Hey, it's a ZM update video, not gonna waste your time.
Hello YouTubers, Zeltrax Millennium here, unboxing time, again. Sorry for not doing a whole bunch of videos, but the links below will link you to my DeviantArt journal entries where I basically say why that is. So, before I get to the box, I wanted to show you something that my mom got from my Aunt Marilyn. A PlayStation 1. God, I'm getting old. But yeah, it's really cool. It already comes with 2 controllers. Doesn't come with any memory cards. It's missing a couple of cords, but nothing looking on eBay can't fix. Aside from that, I also got a Nintendo 64 with all cords intact. It's got 2 N64 controllers. It's got Jump Pack already installed, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing some old-fashioned gaming later. Anywho, aside from the old-style video game consoles, I also got a box from one of my close personal friends, Dancing Otaku, who I've actually met in person at Morphicon 2012. I'm still planning on going there 2014, so yeah. So without further ado, let's open this box. And he had to ship UPS too, so I didn't really expect it to be here this quick. Packing peanuts for the win. Okay, item number 1. I'm gonna need this knife again. Darn, he packed these things well! There we go. Alrighty. Megaforce Pink. Nicely repacked, too. Yeah, sadly these figures don't come with their morph and change cards. But basically, whenever I review these figures, I'll pretty much show you what they do in the Gyosei Morpher anyway. So there's Pink. I'll probably be right back. Time skip. Back from the time skip. And here are the rest of the figures I got, which are Megaforce Black. Whoops, sorry, I bumped the camera. Megaforce Blue, Megaforce Yellow, and finally, Megaforce Red. I'm really liking these figures. And also, he got me something really very cool that I'm very happy to add to my collection. SH Figuarts Masked Rider V3. Yeah, I'm very happy to get this figure. I won't go into the details of how I got this figure, but basically, this figure is really dang nice, beautiful looking. So yeah, hope you guys like the unboxing video. Sorry if this video is not too long or too short. I'll probably edit it later. So yeah, Zeltrax Millennium saying good night and good luck. Laters.